you have to move this clip over here to here, okay, without any more struggle, what we need to do is we have to press command in MacBook. If you have PC, then you have to press alt, okay. So you have to keep pressing your command or alt key and select the clip. I want to move this clip, okay, in between here. Now go to here and just release it. Now you can see your clip was in this place and it moved between these two clips, okay. Your clip moved from here to here and nothing was deleted, and like it fulfilled every gap. So guys, this is how you can do it. It's much easier and it will save your time. Thank you so much.